summer air, the summer air.
Today it is Wednesday and I am going to go to the Park Guell, which is in north of Barcelona. Usually it's very hot here, so the weather has been on my side. And if you go to the park when it's really hot, you get dehydrated. There's hardly any shade. So today is a perfect day. It's got some overcast. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but if it does, that's all right. I like rain. One thing that's really great about the park is that you don't have to pay for the main area, which is great because they're usually about 20 euros, which is about $30 Canadian. So I'd rather not spend that much to see a park, but it does have the best views in Barcelona. So if I had to, it would be worth it anyways.
You grabbed my hand, you took me to paradise. Okay, I was drunk as hell. Okay, but so were you. Why don't we just go back to where we came from? The summer air, the summer air. The same flight, same row, the same hotel. That sounds fake, but this is the truth. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Summer air, summer air. By no chance I forget this night. Okay, I guess I'm still high. Okay, high on you. Why don't we just go back to where we came from? The summer air, the summer air.
So just a little fun fact about that subway. I actually went there for lunch with Karina and my parents when we were living in Spain back in, God, like 2014. Crazy. Still there.
One kiss, one touch, all in one more time. Stay the night, maybe two. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So I've arrived and this place is huge. It's got like playgrounds, picnic areas, workout areas for like free running and parkour, lots of places to sit and read and just enjoy your day. So as a local, I can totally see people taking advantage of this amazing park because you've got the best view in Barcelona and it's free. So it's a good place to be.
Summer air, summer air. Since I'm back home, I feel like paralyzed. Why don't we just go back to where we came from? The summer air, the summer air.
So just a fun fact of this area that I'm in right now, one of the seasons of America's Next Top Model actually filmed a runway show here in this area, and they had the models walk down these steps, which are impossible to do in running shoes, let alone like 7-inch stilettos. So that was one of the activities and challenges that they had to do.
Why don't we just go back to where we came from? The summer air, the summer air.
The last 2 times I was here, it was way too hot, way too sunny. It was not enjoyable. Everyone was dehydrated, it was just gross, you're sweating too much to enjoy it. So a little bit of cast over is kind of your best friend, especially here when there's limited shade in the best viewpoints.
Why don't we just go back to where we came from? The summer air, the summer air.
I'm really glad I chose this day to come here because the lack of sun and heat is really working in my favor. It makes wandering around this massive park a lot more bearable.
Why don't we just go back to where we came from? The summer air, the summer air. Let's go. make it right.
So I'm walking home and it's starting to get really, really rainy out, which is not such a bad thing because I enjoy rain, but I didn't expect it to rain this evening. I thought it was just going to be some overcast, but it's actual rain, and I didn't bring my waterlocked bag to put on my my extra sweater, my wallet, and other things that I can't get wet in my bag. So unfortunately everything's getting wet, but hopefully it's not damaged. So I guess we shall see. But this is me signing off. Have a great evening.
Why don't we just go back